So if you wanted to download an actual invoice from Amazon, the process actually is not that hard. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to go directly inside the upper right corner that says identify myself. Directly inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is to sign in. Then into the upper side, I'm going to look out for all the stuff that I have been choosing so far, for example. Then focus into the element that says invoice, in this case appears into Spanish, but still, there are a few elements that you might not be seeing just for security reasons, but here what I'm going to be doing here is to go for checkout for the element that says check for download, right? So as you can see, of course, it actually appears the actual invoice. So what I need to do is to choose the element that says print. When you choose the element that says print, just like that, it will be showing you the actual invoice. So what you need to do now, the only thing you need to do is to hit for the element that instead of appearing into the actual print, you clicked into the element here that says download. So it says save as PDF. So instead of printing, I go for save as PDF, I go for save, and my actual invoice is actually working now correctly. So as you can see, it was really easily to get started directly inside here. Something that I can suggest you is that if you chose a specific product that is been now appearing, for example, send it from Amazon, usually is going to be showing you something a little bit much more professional than just a specific tool, because it's going to be showing you the actual taxes and even more information just like that. So there you go, guys. Actually, it's going to be really simple to check out all of the actual hosts that you have been now sent directly from into Amazon. So once again, if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can see you all next time.